So I'm at work, kind of excited right now, because I got some boxes in my truck. My Tomei exhaust came in. I have a ISR Y pipe. Supposedly they make really good numbers on the dyno, and they're cheap. So that's the most important part. So I'm gonna unbox this stuff right at my job. I already opened up the Y pipe, but I'm gonna show it to y'all, and then I'll unbox this Tomei and see what this hype is all about. See what's what. Got this little box. This one is from Part Shop Max because one of my lug nuts didn't go well. Messed up my stud. Have no clue what happened to that. It's almost like it was the wrong lug nut. But anyhow, they sent me out another one for free. Just gotta replace the stud now, which kind of sucks. Sit this down for a second. So, a Y pipe went with the ISR. Supposedly it gets really good numbers. I'd already cut this box open. And here she goes. So my first thoughts are, this thing is welded up a lot better than what I could have possibly ever thought it would be. TIG welds look amazing. Side, they look amazing. That looks beautifully welded. It's got that giant collector on it. Also, all that looks okay. I did notice that they stick welded it right here, so on the inside there's a little bit of a rough weld, but the air will be coming this way, so that should be fine. And then next is the Tomei. Alright, what everybody's been waiting for. Tomei, the engine specialist. Time to look and see what's inside of this bad boy. Here we go. So these two bad boys are wrapped up nice. My immediate thought is this stuff really is super light. Like, this pipe feels like it's made out of a thin plastic. Doesn't even feel like metal. Alright. We got the Tomei emblem. We got the Series 2 silencer, which I'm actually going to be using this, not all the time, because being quiet is not cool. But I am going to use it on long trips, so that'd be cool. And we got all the clamps for it. That's the band for the muffler. So that stuff looks good. And here goes the tip. Right now I'm just going to unbox this. Tomorrow, which will be in 2 seconds for you all, I'm going to do the rest of this stuff. But everybody's got to see the tip. At least just the tip. Let's put her down in here. Let's get her open. There it goes. The moment I've been waiting for. By the way, Tomei does a very good job with packing, like A+. There we go. Those smooth welds. It's like it's not even welded. It's like they just painted some welds on it. Ah, it looks amazing. I noticed there's the one hole for like the original silencer, but since it's a Series 2, there'll have to be 2 more holes drilled in there. And I'm starting to take back what I said before. I don't know if I want to be drilling holes inside of my brand new Tomei muffler. But hey, it's just metal, right? Anyhow, there you go. That's where all the hype is. You know, I can't help myself. I'm still out here in my work's parking lot. Look at that. Something about pie cuts. Yeah, it looks so good. I can't go back now. I can't go back to a stainless steel exhaust. Look at this. Looks so much more mean. Alright. Let me get this stuff back in the box. And, well, I guess I'm going to start putting it on the car now. Guys, look at these instructions. Stock exhaust hanger. Reinforced exhaust hanger. I'm weak at how mean they made that. Of course, if you've seen any of the other videos, you know that my exhaust is off my car right now. So the whole disassembly has been done. All I have to do is add this stuff to it now. So just putting these up here so it's easier to carry. And gonna throw this Y pipe on. Maybe we'll get the whole thing done tonight and start it up. The car's already on jack stands. So here we go. Throw a couple mats underneath it so I don't scrape up the exhaust, although it's bound to happen sooner or later with how low I am. Alright, so part of the reason why I figured to do this tonight is because gonna help out a buddy with his fitment tomorrow because night moves this Saturday and we gotta get his car right. My car is pretty much together other than the exhaust. That's gonna be. The pieces are dwindling down. 2 more pieces to go. Once I get these 2 on, then I'm literally gonna go to sleep and I'll wake up and get the rest done. One complaint about this exhaust. Maybe I'm like totally sleepy right now, but I could have sworn. Never mind, no complaint. Alright, so you can't really see it well in the day at night, but just here in about 2 seconds. Here she goes. All I have to do now is wipe down the piping and give her a start. It's got fingerprints all over. I don't want them to get burnt into it, especially on the first go around. Everything's in, everything's tight, so.
Very good.
Alright, so there's going to be a little bit of adjustment done to the exhaust because it sits about like probably an inch too low inside the rear right now, but that sucker is loud. I mean, it has a high-pitched noise to it. Close my garage door down because my neighbors probably hate me right now for revving. So that's what I was totally going for. Old Racecar look. Went ahead and threw 5 self-tapping screws up underneath here to get that tucked up. It was touching the exhaust right here, so I figured why not do it now. Alright, gonna go ahead to my brother's house, pick him up, head to Mark's house, and work on his setup for a little bit. Shocked about how actually tame it sounds from an idle. It doesn't sound too bad. So we'll see. My ears are ringing by the time we get there. What's up, Di?
Fucking Racecar.
Hey, look at it. Bumper truck finally.
Oh shit, you did. Yeah. You got they're gonna bring it.
Nah. Well, I mean, it's close.
Bro, it sounds like a Ferrari. You really don't like it when you bullshit. Oh, it sounds like a fucking Ferrari.
Yeah, I think it's old, by the way. I'm just gonna get a little something.
Holy shit, that's bad.
It's like I'm not touching the gas at all.
Dude,
like,
it sounds like a Ferrari. This sounds better than your Shockwave, bro. I'm sorry, man. Holy shit, that sounds amazing. Oh my god.
Wait till you hear me hit it, bro. I shouldn't be doing it in Elizabeth City, but we gonna hit it.
Bro, this don't need our pipes. He did lose his ass a little bit, I can tell.
Actually, Sean kind of cut me out a little bit.
Yeah, needs to be tuned.
It needs to be,
Downshift down. Oh shit, that was a howl. Sounds good. Sounds
I'll show you strong past stop. It's retarded.
Bro, that shit is sick. I'm trying not to
a Tomei die.
That's just cool.
Oh man. Ooh, scapper.
Ooh, snack.
Ooh, look at that snack.
Look at that snack. Put that Yodi in his cage.
What gear am I in? Shit.
Not at first, are you?
I'm not at first. I'm definitely in third. Dude, I'm not even doing much.
Bro, that shit's insane, dude. Holy shit, bro.
The coupe is retarded. That's for you, Mark. Successful drive today. I did hit the canister on the ground, I think twice, but other than that, everything seems to be tight. So next video will be night moves. That'll be Hoon Day. So stay tuned for that.